Transforming your space into a blend of aesthetic appeal and tidiness can significantly elevate your living environment, turning it into a sanctuary where you can unwind and feel truly at ease. In this video, we'll explore practical and creative strategies to help you declutter and infuse elegance into your space, achieving both beauty and order. Let's dive into these tips to start reshaping your environment. Number 1, declutter first. The key to achieving a tidy and visually pleasing space starts with embracing simplicity. Begin by carefully decluttering your room, focusing on removing items that no longer serve a practical purpose or contribute to the overall look you desire. Think about donating or recycling these items to give them a new life and reduce waste. With fewer belongings cluttering your space, your chosen decor and furniture will have the chance to stand out and make a real impact. This process not only opens up the room, but also creates a more inviting and serene atmosphere. A minimalist approach helps to highlight the elegance of the remaining items and ensures that every piece in the room serves a meaningful role. By streamlining your belongings, you create a space that feels more organized and visually appealing. This clarity and openness can greatly enhance your overall comfort and enjoyment of your living environment. Number 2, choose a cohesive color palette. Choosing a cohesive color palette is crucial for achieving a visually appealing and harmonious space. Start by selecting colors that blend seamlessly together and set the mood you wish to create in your room. Neutral shades provide a versatile base and can be accented with a few vibrant colors to add depth and interest. This approach ensures a balanced look that is both elegant and inviting. Incorporating a mix of complementary colors can transform your space into a cohesive and stylish environment. The key is to maintain consistency with your color choices to avoid visual clutter and create a serene atmosphere. With thoughtful color selection, you can enhance the overall ambiance of your room and make it feel more polished. This attention to detail in your color scheme will significantly elevate the aesthetic quality of your living space. This careful consideration of color not only enhances the visual appeal, but also contributes to a sense of calm and cohesion throughout your entire home. Number 3, incorporate greenery. Plants are a fantastic way to breathe life and charm into any space. Opt for low-maintenance varieties such as succulents or snake plants if you're new to gardening or prefer minimal upkeep. These plants not only bring a touch of nature indoors, but also enhance the overall ambiance with their fresh, green presence. Their ability to purify the air and add a pop of natural color makes them a practical and attractive addition to any room. With their easy care and versatility, they can fit into various decor styles and spaces, from small apartments to larger homes. Adding a few well-chosen plants can transform a sterile area into a lively and inviting environment. This simple addition can make your space feel more personalized and connected to the outdoors. Embracing greenery in your decor is an effortless way to enrich your living area with both beauty and tranquility. Plus, incorporating plants into your home can boost your mood and productivity, creating a more pleasant and serene atmosphere. Number 4, hide cables and wires. Visible cables and wires can easily disrupt the neatness of even the most meticulously arranged room. To combat this issue, consider using cable organizers or cord covers to neatly bundle and hide cables. Furniture with built-in cable management options can also be a game changer, as it helps keep all the wires concealed and organized. By addressing this often overlooked detail, you create a more cohesive and polished appearance in your space. A clutter-free environment enhances the overall aesthetic and makes the room feel more open and relaxed. Streamlining cables not only improves the look, but also simplifies daily maintenance and use. Implementing these solutions can transform a chaotic area into a serene and visually appealing setting. This small adjustment can have a big impact on achieving a tidy and sophisticated home. Number 5. Use decorative trays for organization. Decorative trays are a stylish and practical solution for organizing small items around your home. They are perfect for arranging everyday objects like keys, coasters, or candles on surfaces such as coffee tables, dressers, or countertops. By using trays, you can keep these items neatly corralled while adding a touch of elegance to your decor. Select trays that match your overall decor style to ensure they blend seamlessly with your existing furnishings. This approach not only helps in maintaining a tidy appearance, but also enhances the visual appeal of your space. The addition of decorative trays can elevate the functionality of your surfaces, turning them into organized and aesthetically pleasing areas. These versatile accessories provide both form and function, making them a valuable addition to any room. Incorporating trays into your decor is an effortless way to achieve a polished and well-organized look. Number 6. Install floating shelves. Floating shelves offer a flexible solution for displaying items while maintaining a clear and open floor space. They allow you to showcase a variety of objects, such as books, plants, or decorative art pieces, in a way that enhances your room's aesthetic. By installing these shelves at different heights, you can create a dynamic visual effect and make the most of your vertical space. This approach not only helps in organizing your belongings, but also adds a stylish touch to your decor. Floating shelves contribute to a more spacious feel by reducing clutter on the floor and providing a clean, streamlined look. They are easy to install and can be customized to fit any room's layout or design theme. This versatility makes floating shelves a practical and attractive choice for enhancing your home's overall appearance. With thoughtful placement and arrangement, these shelves can transform a simple wall into a focal point of your room. Additionally, they provide a perfect opportunity to showcase personal collections or seasonal decorations, making your space feel uniquely yours. Number 7. Add a pop of color with accessories. Introducing a splash of color through accessories like cushions, throws, or vases can significantly enhance the look of a room. These vibrant accents add life to a neutral space without making it feel chaotic. By selecting colors that harmonize with your existing decor, you ensure that the room feels cohesive and vibrant. Such additions provide an easy and effective way to refresh your space and make it more inviting. Brightly colored cushions or throws can instantly uplift the mood of the room, while a few colorful vases can serve as eye-catching focal points. This approach allows you to experiment with bold hues and patterns without committing to permanent changes. Integrating these elements thoughtfully creates a balanced and engaging environment. With a few well-chosen accessories, you can effortlessly transform your space into a more dynamic and appealing setting. Adding colorful accents also offers a cost-effective way to stay current with design trends and adjust the mood of your room seasonally. Number 8. Add a chalkboard or whiteboard wall. A chalkboard or whiteboard wall can be a fantastic addition to your home, combining functionality with creativity. This versatile feature allows you to jot down important notes, keep track of to-do lists, or even unleash your artistic side with spontaneous drawings. By incorporating this element into your decor, you create a practical tool that also serves as a dynamic visual interest point. It helps keep your space organized and clutter-free, while adding an interactive and engaging aspect to your room. This kind of wall can be particularly useful in home offices, kitchens, or play areas where frequent notes or ideas are needed. Its adaptability makes it a valuable asset for both everyday use and creative expression. Embracing this feature not only enhances the utility of your space, but also makes it more visually appealing and personalized. With a chalkboard or whiteboard wall, you can effortlessly blend practicality with style in your home. Number 9, opt for minimalist window treatments. Opting for minimalist window treatments, such as sheer curtains or simple blinds, can significantly enhance the openness and brightness of a room. These lightweight options allow natural light to filter through, creating a sense of airiness and making the space feel more expansive. Heavy drapes, on the other hand, can make a room appear smaller and more enclosed, which can detract from the overall openness you're trying to achieve. By choosing simple and streamlined window coverings, you maintain a clean and uncluttered look that complements a minimalist decor style. This approach not only helps in maximizing natural light, but also contributes to a more inviting and cheerful atmosphere. Additionally, minimalist treatments are easier to maintain and can seamlessly blend with various interior designs. Embracing these simple options can transform your space, making it feel more light-filled and spacious. The right window treatments can also enhance the room's overall ambiance and make the space feel more connected to the outdoors. Number 10, focus on lighting. Good lighting can completely change the atmosphere of a room, making it feel warmer and more inviting. To achieve this, combine natural light with different types of artificial lighting, such as ambient, task, and accent lights. Natural light during the day helps brighten up the space, while ambient lighting creates a general, soft illumination that fills the room. Task lighting is essential for specific activities, like reading or cooking, providing focused light where you need it most. Adding dimmable lights gives you the flexibility to adjust the brightness according to the time of day or mood you want to create. This thoughtful approach to lighting ensures that your space is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By layering different lighting sources, you enhance the overall ambiance and make your home feel more welcoming. Effective lighting not only improves visibility, but also contributes to the overall comfort and style of your living area. Number 11, integrate smart home devices. Smart home devices can significantly elevate both the functionality and the aesthetics of your space. By integrating smart lighting systems, you can easily adjust the ambiance of any room, whether you want bright, energizing light or a soft, relaxing glow. Smart speakers offer the added benefit of streaming your favorite music, or even setting reminders, all with simple voice commands. These high-tech gadgets not only enhance your daily convenience, but also blend seamlessly with your existing decor, maintaining a sleek and modern look. With the ability to control various aspects of your home through a single device or app, you streamline your living experience while keeping your space looking stylish. Incorporating these devices helps to merge technology with home decor, creating a more enjoyable and efficient environment. Embracing smart home technology ensures that your living area is both cutting-edge and aesthetically pleasing. Number 12, keep surfaces clear. A clutter-free space is essential for maintaining a tidy and welcoming environment, so it's important to keep your countertops, tables, and other surfaces free from unnecessary items. Utilizing decorative trays, bowls, or baskets can help you organize essential items while keeping them easily accessible. These tools not only add a touch of style to your decor, but also ensure that everything has a designated place, which contributes to an overall sense of order. By regularly decluttering and using these organizational aids, you can prevent your space from feeling chaotic and ensure that it remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This approach makes it easier to locate items when needed and maintains a clean and serene atmosphere. Keeping surfaces clear and organized will make your home feel more spacious and relaxed, allowing you to enjoy a more peaceful living environment. Adopting these habits will help you maintain a clutter-free space that reflects your personal style and promotes a sense of calm. In conclusion, transforming your space into an aesthetic and tidy haven is achievable with thoughtful planning and consistent effort. By following these 10 tips, you'll create an environment that not only looks beautiful, but also feels comfortable and inviting. Remember, the key is to make intentional choices that reflect your personal style while keeping the space organized and clutter-free. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from a space makeover. Enjoy your new transformed space.